Hey, hi, welcome back to Digit.in. Now here are 5 things you should know about the new Lenovo Tab V7. After what appeared to be a long break from the entire phablet business, Lenovo recently launched the Tab V7 in India at a starting price of 12,990 rupees. This device is aimed at users who want a hybrid of smartphone and tablet for less than 15,000 rupees. Here are 5 things you should know about the new Lenovo phablet. Understandably, the display is its unique selling point. The Lenovo Tab V7 has a 6.95-inch IPS LCD panel with an aspect ratio of 18:9 and a resolution of 1080 x 2160 pixels. The max brightness sits around 350 nits, which is average for a device of its price. This large display is ideal for many long hours of video watching and browsing. The battery is another strong point for the Lenovo Tab V7. It comes with a 5180 mAh lithium-ion unit that Lenovo claims is good for up to 10 hours of local video playback mixed with browsing or 30 hours of talk time. Interestingly, this big battery does not seem to make the device too heavy even though it's 195 grams on paper. Another plus point for the Lenovo Tab V7 is clean software. The phablet comes with an almost stock version of Android 9 Pie out of the box with not too much bloatware. Apps thrown in by Lenovo include FM Radio, Duo, Outlook, Skype, Tablet Manager, and Dolby Audio. We personally like the fact that it has no notch around the earpiece to hinder the display experience and the fact that there's a blinking LED light for notifications. While the Lenovo Tab V7 comes with a lot of pluses, it carries a few minuses as well. For example, the chipset powering it is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 mobile platform, which was launched nearly 2 years ago. While it's not outright bad for everyday use, it's not up to the mark either. If you're a frequent user of your phone, you should definitely consider getting the 4GB RAM variant of this phablet. Lastly, the camera setup on the Lenovo Tab V7 is something of a letdown. The phablet has a single camera setup on the front and back. The rear camera is a 13-megapixel sensor with autofocus. The selfie camera, on the other hand, is a 5-megapixel sensor with fixed focus. If you're expecting to take great photos on your next outdoor trip, you'll be disappointed. There you go then. Those are 5 things you need to know about the new Lenovo Tab V7 if you're in the market for a new phablet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.